Hello. Welcome to another session of Intermediate Photoshop. We're going to start working on mastering some concepts with color. First thing we're going to do is look at ways to swap color. So lots of times you may have a color and you want to change it to another color. So I'm going to show you a couple of different techniques for that. So here we are in Photoshop with this photograph of a gentleman wearing a red shirt, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the color of his shirt. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to tackle this. So first thing we want to do is select just the shirt. So we can come up and we can grab our object selection tool. This works really good for things like this. And what I want to do is just have it set to rectangle and make a general trap over that area, and it snaps to the shirt. Now the problem with the selection is that what I need to do is push the edges of the selection outward. There's a number of places where I can do this. First thing I'm going to do is clean up the edges here. I'm going to zoom in, Control plus to zoom in. I want to clean up the collar with the polygonal lasso tool. So I'm going to add to the selection here and just kind of click in here. Just clean that up a little bit. And I'll hit Control 0 to zoom back out. And what I want to do is I want to push the selection out to trap the edges. So I'm going to go up to select, and I could use select and mask, but what will actually work better than select and mask is modify, and I'm going to use something called the expand command. I'm going to click expand, and I'm going to expand it by 2 pixels. I'm going to click OK. What that literally does is pushes the selection outwards. All right. Now that I've expanded the selection, I'm going to go up to Image Adjustments, and we're going to use Replace Color. In Replace Color, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this box here to Image, and then holding down the Shift key, I'm going to drag across the shirt and capture that color of the shirt. Now I've targeted a color and I've targeted a selection, and I can grab that color and make it any color I want. And after I change the color, I can adjust the saturation, the lightness and darkness of the color. Click OK, select, deselect, and there's my color swap.